filming one. I thought about either doing 1 or 2 hairstyles that are perfect to try in the new year as someone with natural hair. Hey y'all, welcome back to Rock Natural. It is your weekly beauty reporter here, reporting live to you from the 305. Okay, not really 305, but reporting live. And I wanted to come on here and do a quick natural hair tutorial. So I'm starting off on my hair blown out because the style that I want to do, I just wanted it blown out. I did have it stretched, but I decided to go ahead and blow it out. This is my first time blowing it out since I've moved back to a humid area, so my hair is still adjusting to me moving back to a humid area. So you want to part out your ear. All right, so we're gonna do this here like this. And then we're gonna start in the back. So you wanna grab some extra hair. Or if your hair is long enough, then you can skip this step. Then you wanna go ahead and put the back of your hair in a tight pony. After you have your tight pony, you're gonna grab one of the bundles that are still together. This does not match my hair color. I could not find one that matched my hair color, but you wanna take this rubber band here and loop it around your hair here. Then you wanna rotate this over the hair like this. Then you wanna start twisting. You can either do a twist or a braid. I'm gonna do a twist. Cute. Now you want to do the same thing to the top. So now that we got the back, you want to do the same thing to the front. Take the section, wrap it around. You don't have to add on hair. So to make sure this stays, I'm gonna split this in half like so. And then we're gonna wanna twist smaller sections. Twist our hair and twist the braiding hair like this. You know what I mean? Because I don't want this to come down. Split hair if needed. And then rubber band the bottom. Dang, I didn't grab enough rubber bands. All right, let's see if this stays compared to the back. Perfect. Do the same thing to this side. Split it in half. Twist our hair and the braiding hair. So I'm twisting and twisting. So I'm twisting the pieces as I'm twisting the hair so that it just stays more. You can see like the hair twisted. Go ahead and clean up the baby hairs some more. Laid, make sure they're laid. I'm gonna go ahead and bobby pin because mine does not seem like it wants to lay down really. So now we're getting ready to do the fun part. We may need to retwist the back. Let's go ahead and redo that now. I think I'm gonna split it in half and do the same thing that I did to the front. 2 sections in the back. Twist, twist, twist. So depending on like your hair and the type of hair that you use, I ideally would have used some like Marley hair or thicker hair that wasn't going to unravel. So whatever hair you like to use for twisting. Even if I would have had some curly hair like you do for... So then I'm just going to combine these two in the back still so that it looks like one, but instead it's going to be two separate. I should probably do this towards the back because then it'll be like more even. And I'm going to rubber band a little higher up. I don't mind if the ends are hanging. All right, now the fun part. We have some jewels here that we're gonna add. We can either use these or we can use these. I don't want to use these. So these are a little swirl that I'm just gonna add. So. All right, cute, cute. Let's keep going. I have a few more that I want to highlight. So you can add the jewels wherever. Here's a few pearls. I do want to see how these look though and see if it makes a difference. So I'm just going to slide some of those into my hair as well. I'm gonna add some more edge control. So you keep going until you don't want to add anymore. So we're gonna twist that up like this. This isn't originally how I thought I was gonna have it, but I wasn't really feeling the twists that were hanging down. So I'm just pinning the bun down with some of the pins. And we can go one step further and add them into the bun if we wanted. Alright, so here we have the finished look. I think this hairstyle was inspired by multiple people, but it's definitely different for me, out of my comfort zone. One that's easy to wear either for New Year's or in the new year for a special event. You could even wrap this around if you wanted to, but I'm gonna leave it hanging like so. Leave a comment down below and let me know if you're going to be trying these. These pieces I got from Amazon a while ago. I'm sure you can find it in like bridal hair pieces. And they came in a pack of 2 in this. And then these little twisty and pearl pieces I received, or I got from Ulta. Couldn't tell you if they're still there. If I find something, I'll be sure to leave it in the comments. But be sure to give this video a thumbs up. Leave a comment down below and let me know what you think. There's still time. If I post this video on time, there'll still be time to enter the giveaway, which is happening on... The giveaway is ending from the 12 days of Christmas on, let's say, the 1st. So the 1st is the last day to enter, and then on the 2nd I'll be picking a winner. So I'll leave all those details down below. Give this video a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you in my next one. Toodles.